She's a good swing dancer. She can still dance. She outdances me.
What's your day like, Sondra? How does it go?
Well, they keep us busy.
She has had a blast participating in all the activities. There's always something going on. Movie night, games, art. They take bus trips. They went to the ice cream shop once. They went to the library. They are always doing something. So you can think of it as moving into a retirement facility and getting to do all these activities. They will drive you around. They cook for you. They clean for you. They do your laundry, right?
Very nice.
So it's like being on a cruise. You know, all these things happen for you. They handle your medications for you, so you don't have to worry about that. So you get to just relax and enjoy and get treated like a queen or a king, right? So, and I think as a caregiver, then you can come and enjoy spending time with your loved one.
That's what they say.
But then also have some rest and some relaxation before you get so burned out that you're having serious health problems yourself. So
Right. They say you can be a spouse again.
Exactly. Rather than arguing about why you can't put a knife in the toaster when it's still plugged in and down. You wouldn't want to move someone into a facility too soon, of course. But yes, there are so many activities. If you're waiting until they're in a reclining wheelchair because they can't even sit up on their own, I mean, they don't get a chance to take advantage of that socialization.
How's the food?
Oh, delicious.
Good. You like sweets?
I love sweets.
My dad does too.
What is your favorite?
Ice cream.
Yes, that's the answer, always. You can eat ice cream night and day. Plus, she still goes out every Wednesday for lunch at the taco shop with
You
her
like
friends.
tacos?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
Favorite.
She
Next
loves
to
them.
ice cream, tacos.
just about, yeah.
Tacos and then ice cream, right?
Exactly.
Or the other way around. Tell them your favorite ice cream.
Mocha almond fudge.
Ooh, my dad too likes that from 31 flavors.
Right. I haven't had any of that for a while.
You had it a couple weeks ago.
That's not enough.
Okay.
So we're giving this to a lady at an Alzheimer's facility. So that's one. How's it look? Show me. Ooh, that. Her name's Sondra. What's your name?
Kathleen.
Kathleen. You're gonna make Sondra very happy. She told me that her favorite is milk almond fudge. So with two, she's got enough to share with a friend. Have you made friends here?
Oh, yeah.
So there's a lot of interaction, a lot of socializing.
Oh, yeah. There's a place called Caleo Bay.
She first didn't have a roommate, but now she does. So, and that has worked out really well.
Who's
So
my roommate?
Ruthie,
Yeah.
She's so much happier than when she was home by herself. And when you're out doing activities, you're distracted from any problems you may have. And life is joyful and your health is better and psychologically you're feeling happier and better. It's all better. She has always been pretty easy. She's a very kind, loving person and might not be happy about things. She certainly didn't want to leave her house to move into a facility, but she didn't put up a huge fuss. It was an adjustment. She wasn't real happy at the very beginning, but she loved all the activities. And she loves playing bingo. That was like the favorite game, and socializing, and it's perfect being in a place where you have, your room, but you can go out at any time and there's a whole bunch of people that you can do some fun things with. So that really helped. She just really loved that. And we just had to get, a few little other things out of the house, and we didn't want to do it while she was there, knowing that that would be very upsetting.
Mm-hmm.
And so she was gone for the day while we got things situated. And then Joe and Diana brought her over and we said, this is your new apartment.
And I said,
And I don't remember what you said, but she wasn't too pleased.
I wasn't.
You remember that day?
I already had a place to live.
Right. And the reason that you moved to that place was because living by yourself at home wasn't safe anymore because of your memory
Right.
issues. So she was a little resistant and unhappy. But she adjusted fairly quickly and really.
Do you take her out to visit, or do you stay here usually? How does it work?
If we're going to church or her friends are taking her out to the taco shop, of course they come pick her up or I come pick her up and take her out. But I come and visit all the time as well. I'm a teacher,
Okay.
so I usually come after work. I usually get here around 3:30 and I think this is how I relax. There's always something fun going on. So I come and join them for bingo or art, or they have a lot of people that come and do singing, and I love the casino. They play, 21 and...
Thank you for sharing with me.
Yes,
I appreciate it. It was lovely to meet you.
nice to meet you too.
Thank you.
You have nice warm hands.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Susan. Hello. We brought a gift for Sondra. A memorial that she loves, Jamaica almond fudge.